right, so now here we're gonna play around with our that energy idea, okay? So take your legs a little bit wider. Your knees and your toes point the same direction, whatever width you've chosen, okay? If you were here for last week, you know that we did goddess from here. This is goddess pose. And if you weren't here last week, this is goddess pose, all right? Just feel how the legs have to work a little harder, and then we're in this upright position. But today we're going to take our goddess position and we're going to think about energy. So we're going to imagine that we're pushing away anything that we don't want. And then we grab the energy we want and we pull it in. So visualize that. We're going to take that 2 more. So we're pushing away negative energy and pulling in the uplifting, supporting energy. Good. One more time. Push away. Good. And pull in. Good. All right. So that comes a little bit from Tai Chi. It's Tai Chi inspired. Yeah, notice that if you're leaning forward and pushing, you're actually using some core here. So you have to use a little bit of core work. All right. Now we're going to swing this over to the left side. So the right foot's planted, the left foot, I'm going to modify it like this, but my left knee's kind of down. And this is basically a lunge. Your right hand can hold onto the chair, or if you feel stable, you can take both hands forward. So we're going to push that, what we want, away, and then pull in what we want. But take 2 more. So we're pushing and pulling. And then pushing. Good. And then pulling. Good job. All right, now we're in lunge pose. You can hold on here. You can just notice how this pose feels. Those of you who are feeling fairly ambitious, this is the time where you can hold on to the chair and lift yourself out of your chair. I'm not going to do it today on this side because this ankle is not going to support that. Yeah. All right. And then come back to center. All right. In between sides, we'll take a gentle forward bend. So hands can stay on thighs. We're going to just lean a little. Maybe your forearms come down. Maybe you decide to hold on to your shins, your ankles, or the ground. I'm just going to go about halfway here. Let the head relax. Maybe you gently shake your head out and say yes and no. And again, visualizing yes, what do I want? Yes, more up. And no, what do I want less of? Good. Bring your hands back to your thighs. We'll slowly come back up. All right. And then we're going to swing over to the left side. So the left foot goes out to the left. The right knee may be down. It may be forward. It may be back. Your choice. We're finding our lunge on this side. So once again, the left hand can help hold on to the chair. Or if you feel steady, both arms push forward as we push away. Getting rid of things like negative energy and then pulling in joy, peacefulness. Take 2 more. Push. And I want you to visualize what you want. Make it more about your life. Push. Good. And pull. Good. And then finding this lunge pose, you can stay here for just a breath or 2. If you wanted to lift and come out of your chair, you can. Just be careful. It's a lot of work. All right. And then bring it back down. All right. Let's come back to center. All right. Phew, take a little break, kind of moving things around.